If you need to find all ngons in Blender quickly, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to locate them, highlight them, and even convert them if needed. This is super useful for cleaning up topology, preparing assets for animation, or getting a model ready for a game engine. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, select your object and press Tab to enter edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, press 3 on your keyboard to switch into face select mode. This helps you work directly with the faces of your mesh. Next, press Alt and A to deselect everything first, so you can clearly see the new selection after the search. Now, go to the Select menu at the top of the 3D viewport. From there, choose Select All by Trait, and then click Select Faces by Sides. Blender will open a small settings box at the bottom left of the viewport. This is where the real control happens. In the Number of Vertices field, change the value to 4, then set the type to greater than. What this does is tell Blender to find any face with more than 4 sides, which is exactly what an ngon is. As soon as you set that up, Blender will select all of those ngons for you. If you want to inspect them more closely, press G to move them, or press H to hide them and see where they are in the mesh. This makes it much easier to spot problem areas and fix messy geometry. And if you want to instantly convert those ngons into triangles, just press Ctrl+T to triangulate the selection. That can be useful when you need a cleaner mesh for export or for a game engine workflow. If you're working on models for games or performance-sensitive projects, a great tip is to use greater than 4 first to find ngons, and then if needed, switch to greater than 3 to check for any remaining faces depending on your cleanup goal. So now you know how to find all ngons in Blender in just a few clicks. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe for more Blender tips, and I'll see you in the next one.